Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crocheters Creed, and today we are going to be making the red guy from the, I guess, YouTube series called Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared. To some, it may be a bit disturbing, but it's, October, Halloween time, so, I feel it's fitting. So, the materials that you will need for this project, you will need red yarn, of course, because he's the red guy, white yarn, black yarn, and you will also need a random color yarn of your choice. I chose this one. It doesn't really matter because it's not going to be seen. So choose whatever color yarn that you want. I chose this yarn because actually this is the first yarn that I ever bought when I first started crocheting. And I still have it 6 years later. So you also need a 9mm hook or the biggest hook that you have, a 5mm hook. Focus. Okay, well, never mind. A 5mm hook, your scissors. There we go, now focus. Your stitch marker and your yarn needle. And you will also need... Alright, now because I've made so many amigurumis on my channel, and of course every pattern will be in the description and also a key to help you read the pattern a little bit better. The amigurumi head and the body is mostly made the same way. The head is made the same way. The legs, the arms are made the exact same way. So it really isn't, it's just a basic amigurumi body. So I'm not going to be showing you how to do those because it's pretty basic, pretty standard. And of course, if you need a visual, you can go back to any of my other amigurumi crochet videos, or if you read patterns better, you can just read the description. So what's really important is the face and the eyeballs. He has tassels all coming down his face. And you will need to make, I'm going to get him so you can see. I don't want to show all of him, but I'll just show the face. Well, you already saw it, I guess. So the tassels, as you can see, the yarn that I have is the head. But the tassels, you want to be thick enough and a lot of them for it to cover that, because you don't want to see, most of the time it's a color that you don't want, and you don't want that really to be seen. And then you have the eyeballs, and the eyeballs, from which you can see, are sitting on top of the head. You just push them, glue them, or sew them directly on top of the head. So I'm going to show you how to make the eyeballs first, and then the tassels, and then we will be done with the project. But like I said, the legs, the arms, and the head, all made standard amigurumi. Okay, so we are going to start after you've made the head, the arms, and the torso, and everything like that. We are going to go to the eyes. So you're going to take your 9mm hook. Excuse me. You're going to take your 9mm hook, and his eyes are half red, half white. So you can see they're split, half red, half red, half white. And then you can only see the pink because I just put in the ends of my yarn into it instead of the actual stuffing. So you're going to take your red yarn first, and you are going to make a magic circle, and you're going to put 8 single crochet into that magic circle. Come on, focus. Thank you. Oh, come on. Don't do that. There we go. Okay. Now 8 single crochet into that magic circle. Why does it keep... Come on now. Focus. Thank you. All right, now we have... Come on. 1. Ooh, that looks weird. Oh, I twisted it, that's why. Okay. Let's try again. 1. See, the only reason I don't like big hooks is because the hook can get caught. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now you are going to pull that in, pull your end in, pull your end yarn in, and you're going to slip stitch in that top stitch. It's gonna be hard because it's big. Come on. Gonna slip stitch into that top stitch. If you would allow me. Thank you. And then you're going to chain 1. Where's my stitch marker? And you are going to do a single crochet and increase pattern all the way around. So what I mean by that is you go in the first stitch, single crochet in the first stitch, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then in the next stitch, you are going to put an increase. So that's 1 single crochet, go back in that same stitch and do another one. And then in the next stitch, you are going to do, focus, thank you. You're going to do 1 single crochet. And you're going to repeat that pattern all the way around for row. Okay. Now, for row 2, you're going to, after you slip stitch, chain 1, for row 2, you are going to put 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and an increase all the way around. Oh, come on. I'm going to go into the first stitch, do your 1 single crochet, that's 1. Next stitch, come on, that's 2. And then you're going to do an increase in the next stitch after that. That's 1, and in the same stitch, that's 2. Now you're going to go into, come on, would you please? Now you're going to go into the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and continue that pattern all the way around for row 2. Okay, now for rows 3 and 4, you are going to chain 1 and single crochet around in every. Okay, now after you are done with rows 3 through 4, you're going to start to see that it is starting to, form this cup. Please focus. Thank you. You're going to start to see that it's forming this cup shape. And it's going to sit sideways. You're not crocheting it up. It's going to be sitting sideways like you saw on the head. So now, for rows 5 through 7, I don't know why I did that. Don't do that. Do not chain 1 after row 4. You're going to want to switch to your white yarn. So switch to your white yarn. And I do also recommend that if you're going to use yarn scraps or whatever, I would not recommend doing it on this because you can see in the eyes that they're pink. Well, I guess maybe it looks, that's not bloodshot, that'll be red anyway. That you want it to be a white color of some sort because the stitches are, you can see clearly into the eyes. Anyway, so thank you. You're going to add on your white yarn Add on your white yarn and chain 1. Then you're going to add your stitch marker into that. Please focus. All right. And now for rows 5 through 7, you are going to chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch around. Okay, now after you are done, you are going to, with rows 5 through 7, you're going to chain 1, put your slip stitch, put your stitch marker through, and you are going to do a decrease in every stitch around. Now, at this point, you want to start stuffing it, obviously. Putting your tails in, and why is this tail so long? Putting your tails in, all your stuff in. Come on now. So I'm going to do a few decreases, but you get the gist, you know, pull up a loop, go in the next stitch, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3. So you're going to do that, English, you're going to do that in every stitch around for row, that is row 8. Now, once you are done with that, you can go ahead and pause if you want. Once you are done with that, you are going to, of course, sew in your ends, close the eye, and you are going to sit it sideways. Sideways, like I said. You were crocheting it up, but it goes sideways on the head, so you can see both the red and the white in the front. Now, obviously, you're going to make 2 of those, and then after you make those, I'm just going to cut this off. Ooh, come on. I'm going to cut this off. But now, now that you know how to make the eyes, I'm just going to show you how to make the pupils. And then after you have made the pupils, really the only thing left to do is add on the hair to him.